Considering solar energy for your home? Introducing the AI Solar Estimator. Understanding the costs and benefits of solar energy can be challenging. How much will it save? What system size do you need? What are the financing options? Meet our cutting-edge AI Solar Estimator. An AI-powered tool designed to give you precise, detailed, and reliable estimates for your solar journey. With the AI Solar Estimator, you'll discover your estimated monthly electricity consumption, the required solar system size for your needs, a detailed breakdown of costs, including base price and optional features, potential monthly savings and financing options, recommendations on solar panel choices and setup benefits. Here's a glimpse of what you'll receive. Estimated monthly electricity consumption, 1,667 kilowatt-hours. Required solar system size, 11.1 kilowatts. Cost breakdown, potential state incentives, monthly savings, and more. Listen to what our users have to say. Michael O'Brien. The breakdown of the solar system is in-depth and very helpful. Carlos Rodriguez. Filled in my details, got my estimate, and was ready to make an informed decision. Sophie Turner. The AI Solar Estimator gave me clear insights. Now, I can plan my solar journey confidently. Ready to empower your solar decisions? Click below and generate your personalized AI solar estimate today.